Hi viewers, today's topic is fabric hacks. I want to make you specialist in the cloths choosing to make the stitching. In every day, new type of cloth materials are invented in the market. Sometimes we use cotton or synthetic, chiffon, dark colors, or some kind of bamini, nets, and silk kind of fabrics. In all these, you have to learn to know what is the specialty or what is the different in cloth. If you know this, you can easily get a good outfit for your measurements. All cloths are normally tight, while synthetic cloths looks like very loose. If you check it for the cotton fabric, it's look very tight and very thick. Since synthetic cloths fall freely on your body, so they tend to appear loose. While coming up with cutting cloths, we can cut with slightly less measurements. If you check out for your hosiery fabrics, after using some time, it will stretch a lot. So for these kind of fabrics, daily use, they tend to become very loose. So we need to measure very less on here for the hosieries. There are many different types of cotton fabrics. Like handlooms fabrics are available in India. These kind of handloom fabrics are very special. They look like very thick. While cutting such type of fabric, always keep loose measurements. Like for example, if you are choosing the armhole 7 inches, then extra 1 inch has to be added. For example, I'm telling you. Not only that armhole, for all the measurements, you need to keep extra measurement. Just around 1 inch or 1.5 inch. I'll also give you one more example. Like you might have seen that some silk kind of cottons, after washing, those type of cloths will become very loose. So for those kind of cloths, we need to wash it before, then we have to cut.